For the past 3 years, we've been working on a cleaner, more effective way to handle multicolor prints. In 2022, we launched the X1 series and democratized multicolor 3D printing forever, making it more accessible to seasoned users and newcomers alike. I mean, who can deny the joy of crafting with all colors of the rainbow? But this came at the cost of Purge, those little noodles of regret that get spat out with every print. It's wasteful, it's time-consuming, and it's a problem that plagues every player in the industry. Purging the printer is like washing a paintbrush between colors. You clean it every time so one color doesn't contaminate the next. So, how do you eliminate this tedious step? Use multiple brushes, each with a dedicated color. Sounds simple, but with 3D printing, which part is equivalent to the brush? The nozzle? The tool head? The entire gantry? Some put multiple tool heads on a shared gantry to avoid disconnections, sacrificing space for greater stability. Others squeeze more nozzles in the tool head. More compact overall, but print speeds suffer with such a bulky assembly. It's always a trade-off between reliability, volume, and cost. Typically, contamination happens in the hot end. So we set our sights on a simple approach aimed right at the source. We call it the Vortek Hotend change system. It's one of the first induction-heated, fully automated hot-end swap solutions. We avoided using cables or pogo pins that easily wear out when the hot-end is swapped thousands of times in a single print. Instead, a built-in chip syncs with the printer wirelessly to transmit power and real-time data like temperature, filament type, and so on. Without compromising efficiency, the nozzle heats via induction in just 8 seconds. Vortek is our epilogue to the imperfections of X1. It's our first attempt to solve the problem of Purge. And we couldn't be more eager to share it with you in an exciting new launch later this year.